What's up, Tucker? You want to go outside and help Daddy? Want to go outside and help Daddy, Tucker? Hi, guys. We're having a blizzard today. As you can see, it's just snowing right now, but we're under a blizzard warning. We've gotten, just since about 6:30 this morning, we've gotten about 6 inches of snow, and it's now, I think, 11:30 or something like that. And there's Perry. Him and I were working on the driveway, me with the shovel and him with the snowblower. And the snow is so heavy that Perry can't actually use the blower part of the snowblower to blow the snow, so he's using the snowblower as a plow and just plowing it out of the way. And I'm coming out here to show you what else he's done. You can see he's got to use it as a plow. This is just one half of the driveway. If you look over there, that big pile of snow across the street is the front half of the driveway. Pretty big mound of snow for a snowblower to plow. And you can see they haven't come by to grate the road yet, so there's nobody plowing the road yet. And all the neighbors, if you can see up there, we have neighbors that live up there. They haven't even started on theirs yet. There's my hubby working so hard. I'm so proud of him. And of course, there's the dogs loving it. Here's my little Mirage. Hi, Mirage. And over here is Princess. Hi, Princess. And that back there is Jasmine. And it looks like Sangha. And that's Tucker. Tucker Goose. And there's my Zombie Wolf. And then sitting up there not wanting to get his little dainty feet wet is Happy Jack Schmoozer. So yeah, this is the weather in Iowa today. Hope you guys are all staying warm. Talk to you later.